name is Evelyn Ferauko and I'm an artist from Carpenter. And my business is called Modonili Design, based at downtown Nanyuki. My journey has been quite interesting because I started in 2021, so this is my 4th year in. So it's been quite interesting. I've learned quite a lot because I started from scratch. I didn't have any background on carpentry before.
My name is Mary. I work Spinners and Weavers Project. It's a self-help group for the women. I started in 1977 to help the land women, the women who have disabilities, the women that we have so many problems. And when it was opened at that time, it was having 6 women. Now we are 107 women. We train them so that they can be helped with that project.
My name is Joseph. I'm an elder of the Presbyterian Church of East Africa. I work with spinners. Most of the women that work in Nanyuki Spinners and Weavers come from around Laikipia. And in Laikipia we have places like Narumolo, we have Timau, we have the areas of Dondo, all those areas that are around Laikipia.
My name is Wanene Grace and I am the founder and team lead also of Growing Dreams Initiative, which is a community-based organization based in Laikipia County, working on reproductive health, menstrual health, teenage mothers empowerment, and socio-economic development. I used to watch on TV, and most of the news about Laikipia was mostly human-wildlife conflict and a lot of female genital mutilation. And then I got into pageantry and won my first crown at around 2016. And I got the opportunity to venture more into communities and live with them and understand why there was this big gap in education. And the main challenge was the generational gap between grandmothers and the kids who are left with them to care, because most of the moms used to go and hustle in the nearby towns. So with time I got to understand about menstrual health, reproductive health, and how that played a big role in early marriages, female genital mutilation, and misinformation in the community. And that was my light bulb moment to really get the education there. Of course, not alone. I got to get a group of volunteers to work with me, and here we are. The main aim of Growing Dreams Initiative is simple. We believe by ending period poverty, we are going to bridge the gender equity gap and also advocate for reproductive health and justice. Growing Dreams Initiative works in communities that are number 1, underserved, and number 2, where we feel that either government or other organizations might have a hard time getting or mingling with the community, and these are Laikipia, Solo, Samburu, and also part of Amboseli. And still, we are always open to collaborate with other people in different parts of the country.
My name is Josephine Dirias. I work with a community-based organization called the Mukogodo Girls Empowerment Program, which is a CBO that is focusing on addressing gender-based violence issues in the community, especially the cultural-based one like FGM and child marriage. Days for Girls is it's a women project. It's an economic empowerment project for the women, and so they make the reusable sanitary towels, and for us we fundraise and buy and give to the children or girls in the community. And the Days for Girls is now going to be a big project. Apart from this one, they do other things like the beads now.
Hello, my name is Mary from Urban Ranch, and we are based in Nanyuki. And this company deals with leather. We have trained 80 women who have been outcasts of the community, because in Maasai community, once a mother or woman rather than gives birth outside marriage, she becomes an outcast from the community. So we brought all of them, 80 of them, and we have 10 people to train them. And if you look at our building, it is really good quality because we take our time to train them how to do it. It is women empowering women rather than letting a woman to suffer in the community. And yet these women, they have a talent. There's something they can do for themselves. So what we do, we bring them together. They can earn money if we use the talent that they have.
Hi, I'm Eva Kiama. I run a fashion and clothing business called RM Designs. I have been doing this since 2018. That's about 6 years now. I started when I was alone, but over the years we've grown, we've expanded. We have several employees, several women who now help me with the stitching and sewing. Find what you like doing, give it a try. Try every day, wake up and try. If you love something, try. And the good thing about now is that there are a lot of resources. You can learn online, you can build your business, and do not be afraid to start small.